Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 151, reverse words in a string. The problem statement is, we are given an input string S, we need to reverse the order of all of the words. The input string may have additional leading or trailing spaces between words, but the output string should only contain a single space. All of the extra spaces should be removed. Example number 2 covers that scenario where we have extra leading spaces at the start and at the end of the input string, but after reversing it, all of the extra spaces have been removed. The problem statement is very easy and straightforward. I'm not sure if I would qualify it under a medium category. Let's switch to whiteboard and discuss how we can use string manipulation techniques to solve this problem. The simplest way to solve this problem is to split the entire string by spaces, which will convert the string into array. Run a loop from the last element to the first element, that is right to left. Trim the word to remove any extra spaces and any empty entries in the array. Build our output by concatenating all of the trimmed words. If we use hello world as our example and apply this logic, after splitting the string by spaces, we will have two entries in the array. Both words hello and world will have extra spaces in it. After that, we start a for loop to iterate through all of the elements from the last towards the first. The world will be the first element. We'll start trimming all of the extra spaces out of it. The trimmed word will be appended to the output string. Following that, we have hello world. We'll do the same, trim all of the spaces and append it to the output. When we are appending additional words, we just need to make sure we are adding space in between. Once the loop is complete, we'll have the output ready to be returned. The time complexity of this solution is O of n, where n is the number of words in the given input string, and the space complexity is O of n as well, as we are creating this array by splitting the entire string down based on spaces. Let me show you how we can implement this solution using Java. Here's the solution in Java. We start by calling the trim method on the string to remove all of the leading or the trailing spaces in the string, and use the split method to split all of the words using space as the separator. Once the string is converted into a list of string, we use the collections.reverse method to reverse the sequence of the words, and then use the string.join method to combine all of the words using space as the separator. And once the conversion is done, we return that string as the output. This code, when submitted on LeetCode, beats 39% of the submissions in terms of runtime and 53% in terms of memory. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are able to understand the explanation. The details to access the source code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.